morning, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to learn about the at word family. So here we have two letters that make up the at word family, the A and T. At. It is a long sound. See the picture. What is this? Yes, it's a cat. This becomes cat. C-A-T. Cat. Next, see the picture. What is this? Yes, it's a rat. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Next, see the picture. What is this? Yes, mat. ये हम सबके घर पे होता है ना? Do you know? Mat. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Next, what is this? Yes, very good. Bat. आप सब प्ले करते हो ना बैट बॉल से? Yes. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Next, see the picture. What is this? Fat. Fat means mota. F-A-T. Fat. F-A-T. Fat. And the last is hat. What is this? Hat. H-A-T. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Again we will revise. Yes. C-A-T. Cat. R-A-T. Rat. M-A-T. Mat. B-A-T. Bat. F-A-T. Fat. H-A-T. Hat. Okay students, bye-bye. I have some pictures of at sound words. Let's see. First one is at cat. At rat. At mat. At bat. At fat. At hat. C-A-T. Cat. R-A-T. Rat.